In this video, you'll learn how to split a payment on Expedia by using a reserve now, pay later option, and then having your friends pay their share at the hotel front desk. This is really handy when one person wants to lock in the booking, but everyone wants to pay separately once you actually arrive. First, head over to the Expedia website or open the Expedia app on your phone. Sign into your account if you have one because that makes it easier to see and manage your bookings later. Then start searching for your hotel just like you normally would. Enter your destination, your travel dates, and how many guests and rooms you need, then tap or click to search. Once you see the list of hotels, take a moment to filter and compare your options. What you're specifically looking for is a deal that lets you reserve now and pay later at the property. On many listings, this shows up as something like pay at property or reserve now, pay later in the room options. Open a hotel you're interested in, scroll down to the room types, and carefully look for those payment details next to each room. It's important to understand that not every room or hotel will offer this. Some are prepaid only, where Expedia charges your card immediately. If you don't see any mention of paying at the property or paying later, that particular option won't work for splitting the payment at check-in. In that case, go back to your search results and look for another hotel that clearly shows the pay at property or pay later option in the room description. When you find a hotel and room that supports reserve now, pay later, select that room and continue to the booking page. Here you'll see a summary of the total price, including taxes and fees. You will usually need to enter a credit or debit card as a guarantee, even if you're not charged right away. This is standard for pay at property bookings and is mainly to hold the reservation and protect the hotel against no-shows. Double check that the payment section clearly says you'll be paying at the property or on arrival. If the page says you'll be charged today, that means it's not the right option for splitting payment later at the front desk. If everything looks correct, fill in your guest details, make sure the name on the booking matches the person who will check in, and then confirm the reservation. After your booking is confirmed, you'll receive a confirmation email or see it in the trips section of your Expedia account. It's a good idea to open that confirmation and verify once more that the payment method shows pay at property, not prepaid. You can also scroll down to the hotel's policies to see any notes about payment, accepted cards, or deposits. Now, for the actual splitting of the payment, when you and your friends arrive at the hotel, go to the front desk together at check-in, let the staff know that you have a pay at property reservation and that you'd like to split the total cost among multiple people. Most hotels can easily divide the bill across several credit cards or take part of the payment in cash and the rest on cards. Each friend can then pay their share directly to the hotel. Just remember that any splitting of payment happens at the hotel, not on Expedia. Expedia's role is to hold the reservation. The front desk is where the final charges are processed. As long as you book to reserve now, pay later option, you'll be able to have your friends pay their portions at check-in or check-out, and everyone can handle their own part of the bill